Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Waffle TV. This is where we teach elementary mathematics and we support the education of the underprivileged, especially in local communities. Last time we talked about amounts and we connected it to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about compound interest. And in compound interest, it simply tells us that each year the amount adds up, and as the amount adds up, your interest equally adds up. So we'll solve a practical example to see how this obtains. On the board we have a question which says, what will be the compound interest on $25,000 for 2 years at 5%? The first thing, we will start from what we know and get to what we don't know. Let's identify, or first of all, we state as first year because there are 2 years. So for the first year, the principal is $25,000. The time for the first year is just 1 year because we are calculating it per year, 1 year. And the rate remains the same, which is 5%. Therefore, interest for the first year, that is simple interest, is principal times time times rate divided by 100. We substitute the principal for the first year is $25,000 times the time for the first year is 1 year and the rate is 5%. This we divide by 100 so that these two zeros can do away with these two zeros. 250 times 1 times 5 will give us $1,250. Remember, we are calculating for compound interest. So we are going to go to the second year. Take note that our first year, the interest is $1,250. Second year. What would be the principal for the second year? $25,000 plus this interest, $1,250. This will give us $26,250. That is the principal for the second year. What will be the time for the second year? Is just 1 year because we are calculating this per year. And the rate remains the same, which is 5%. Therefore, interest, that's the interest for the second year, will be equal to principal times time times rate. All this divided by 100. Let's substitute. The principal is our new principal here, 26,250 times the time, which is 1 year, times the rate, which is 5%, and we divide this by 100. This zero can simplify with this zero. 5 here 1 time, 5 here 2 times. 2 here 1 time, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, 3, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 5, 2.5. So that our answer at this level is equal to $1,312.5. This is the gain or the interest for the second year. But we are asked to calculate the compound interest. So what will be the compound interest? Therefore, compound interest will be equal to, for the first year we had $1,250 plus the second year, which is $1,312.5. In some cases you may wish to round it up, but here we can just add this and this will give us $2,562.5. This will be the compound interest on $25,000 for 2 years at 5%, following the steps that we have solved. We believe you've learned something, and this is all we had for you today. If you enjoyed the lesson, click the like button, share with a friend, and also give a comment so that we can improve on the quality of our work. See you in our next lesson.
To get more information, you can contact the numbers on the screen, or you can visit our website